Hello everyone. Today we have Mr. Ratish Vaid, renowned numerologist with us. A seasoned expert with 15 years of mastery in numerology has dedicated his life to uncovering the deeper connections between numbers and human existence. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. You're most welcome.
Thank you, Priya. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks, my viewers. Thanks, the audience. Thanks for it.
So, Ratish, I would like to ask you, now people are really interested in numerology. Everyone wants to know what is numerology. If I want to ask you, can you tell the audience what is numerology in a gist?
Numerology, it's an Auckland science. Numerology, astrology, Vastu, it's an Auckland science. Just give you the brief how numerology is working on each and every individuals in alphabets, countries, everything. Without numbers, nothing is, you cannot live a life, because if you look at the numbers, your name, alphabets represent some numbers. If you look at your date, month and year, that also represents number. If you have been driving, there is a car number. It's a house number, the city number, the country name. Alphabets, that also represents number. So that is numerology. Now, how it works. Whenever any person borns, he or she been having his date, month and year. Then the parents go to the pandit to have their child name. The first alphabets, I'm talking about not the full name, the first alphabets. The first alphabets that represents, that's a very crucial point, that represents the astrology part, not the numerology parts. Like बच्चा कोई भी पैदा हुआ तो उनको बोला कि भाई पंडित जी बच्चे का नामकरण रखना है, तो नामकरण वो आपका द फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट से रखेगा, नाम नहीं रखेगा. तो फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट्स लाइक ए बी सी, सो दैट अल्फाबेट्स इज बिन रिप्रेजेंटिंग टू एस्ट्रोलॉजी. वो आपका नाम राशि, और नाम राशि से आपका वो नाम रखा गया है. न्यूमरोलॉजी कम्स व्हेन द फुल नेम, योर मिडिल नेम, योर फर्स्ट मिडिल नेम एंड योर surname, your date, your month and year. These parameters should you align with a person, he or she. Only then it will be a great successful career.
Okay. So talking about that, I would like to ask you, why is it important to align name with date of birth, month and year? You just talk about it is important, but I would want you, हमारे users भी जानना चाहेंगे कि ऐसा क्या है? What is the reason behind it?
Every alphabet, every date, month and year, there is a number. Every number has a cosmic rays with the alphabets, and that cosmic rays is been friendly or unfriendly numbers. If you take unfriendly numbers with your date, month and align with your year, so I'm sorry to say like this, the person, he or she will suffer a lot in terms of each and everything. His life or her life will be on a very setback mode. If in every stage, in every situation, there is a problem, hurdles, speed breakers will come. So that is the main thing, that the alphabets, the date, month and year, it should be on a very friendly note, not with an unfriendly notes. So that is the important thing, that when suppose I wanted to start a new business, a new assignment, I'm being people are the audience, are the viewers, they said कि भाई अपने बच्चे के नाम पर रख लेते हैं कि वो बिजनेस चलेगा, या उस बेटी के नाम पर रख लेता वो बिजनेस चलेगा. But actually they have not checked the frequency, the cosmic rays about business vertical. Business vertical का जो logo है, that color is been impacting their future or not. The colors also matters a lot in numerology and in the alignment sector also. That is the thing about name should be aligned with date, month and year, as well as your name, because name is the supreme power. A public or anybody can know your name, not with your date, month and year. So if a name is been on a very powerful mode, the first alphabets as well as the first name, middle name and surname, that will really impact a personal career in a successful growth.
Totally understand that. And you just talk about colors. You just talk about the color of the logo is also very important. I would want to know you. These days we really, hear a lot about color theory. Can you, being the industry expert, tell us about the color theory?
Well, I'm been giving a consultancy to a big corporate sectors, whether it's an MNC or an Indian company. Company is a company. So I just give you a one brief example that recently incidents happened at Air India, the crash. First of all, it's a very sad news, and I say must it's a very very sad news for the entire world, nation also.
Yes, totally.
Uh, if I calculate Air India, Air India, it's an alphabet. So Air comes on a unfriendly number, and India is been on number 3, 12. 1 and 2, that comes to be 3. If I convert it into a compound number, 1 plus 2, that comes into a 3. 3 is for India, is for the expansion plan, expansion. And Air, that comes to be number 4. So 3 and 4 not gel with each other number. That's not gel with each other number. And the date the accident took place, that's also a 9 number. So all the 3 numbers is been on a enemy mode. I'm just talking about the numbers. Just talking about the numbers. The date, month and year which Air India crashes, that comes to be number 9. 9 number represents for mass, the fire, the accidents. 3, the expansion. And number 4, that represents Rahu. So the results, it's totally against and very bad in terms of the numerology.
Totally understand that.
And even if you look at the colors of Air India, that's on the red logo. So red logo, it's not gel with the Air India numbers. Same example if you look at Kingfisher. The dress was red, implications hampered by Mr. Vijay Mallya. And there are so many factors. I don't want to name any company, but I'm just giving you the example that whenever a person wants to run a business or wanted to have a name, logo, he or she, that person should see whether the company name gel with the name, the color theory also or not.
Totally. So I was going to ask you the same question. Any recent accident that you think could have been avoided? You just talked about Air India. Could have done any, any benefit if we earlier thought about the numerology and the company might have taken that into consideration?
Ma'am, I tell you that Air India, I told you that if you calculate Air India, the total number comes to be number 7, and 7 number represents for Ketu. Ketu gives illusion.
Yeah, detachment, illusion.
If you look at the history of Air India in terms of the revenue, from my point of view, which I have been read on the Google, that's they are not in the profit.
Yeah.
They are not in the profit. So the numbers, if it is up to the government to decide whether they wanted to change the cosmic rays of the number or not. Logo, I don't think so that it can be changed or not, because I'm not the right person to comment on the matters. But name, frequency, it will definitely change. But not that entire name, because it will give you the lot of implication about in the GST also and other government norms also.
Exactly. Totally understandable. My next question it is going to be, what is the number implications about career and success? What do you think, what numbers are beneficial, or somebody says that?
As per my experience, I've been doing this almost for 20 years. I can suggest one big question to all the parents, to all the viewers. I'll give you one example, because I'm a cricket lover. So if you look at Sir Don Bradman,
Yeah.
date of birth, his, if you calculate his date of birth and the year as well as the name, it is actually gel with the cricket.
Yeah.
And his date is 27, the first. 2 plus 7, that comes to be, if we convert it into a compound number, that comes to be into number 9.
9.
So number 9, they are a very good sports person.
Yeah.
And they break records also. They are good, they can do wonders in defense forces also.
Yes.
So that is the implication of the numbers 9. And if you talk about number 1 is like a king. Like Ratan Tata sir.
Okay.
He's number 1. If you talk about number 2, Shah Rukh Khan.
Charming.
Number 2, charming,
Charming.
personality, famous star. Hollywood and Bollywood also.
Same.
Number 2. And number 2 is Big B, Amitabh Bachchan ji. Number 11. If you convert it into 1 and 1, that comes into 2. Rajesh Khanna, romantic hero, that comes under 2. Sharmila Tagore, madam, that comes under number 2. Sanjay Dutt, that comes under number 2.
2.
Dilip Kumar, number 2.
That means fame.
No, number 2 represents for mind.
Mind.
Mind as well as moon.
Moon.
Moon, it's like a queen.
Queen. Exactly.
So they are like a they are like a queen for the viewers also. Entertainment industry.
Okay.
But the entertainment industry rules by number 6.
Venus.
And number 3, Rajnikant ji. Number 4, हमारे Anil Ambani ji. Number 5, that's you can say that's the prince number.
Okay.
Ronaldo.
Yeah.
I'm a big fan of Ronaldo. Number 6 represents for Shukr. All the big stars. And even number 5 is Deepika also.
Oh.
Number 1. Number 6, you can talk about any famous personalities. Number 6. Number 7, that's the illusion factor. And number 8 has been a struggling point. Saturn. People struggle a lot, then he will achieve his dream, his life path. If he thinks about that, I wanted to get to achieve in a 5 years down the line, he will able to achieve in a 10 years.
10 years.
Because he struggle a lot. Number 8, the main trait is, theory is struggle first, then you will achieve. Number 9, Mars, and 2025, it is being ruling globally. That's a global year, ruled by number 9. So as per my prediction, accident can occur. War, if one country will stop the war, the other country will issue certain fight in terms of any matters, whether political or unpolitical. Violence will rise. Big hectic, you can say that the time for defense forces.
Exactly.
Like if you talk about police, if you talk about our defense, army, military, air force, it's a tough time.
Exactly. Truly said, because it's been 6 months in this
And
year.
it will going to reduce after September.
Okay.
After September. Number 9, lot of accidents can occur. Might be wrong.
Yeah.
I might be wrong, but I've been just telling the theory about the numbers.
Exactly.
Accident will occur. Lawsuits will be on a higher stage.
Okay. So September is the 9th month.
September is the 9th one. 10th, it will reduce everything.
Okay.
Earthquake will also be occur.
Yeah.
Even the fire will on a boom side.
We have been seeing
Short
this.
circuit will be there. With the results, fire can also take place
Yeah.
in any one of the buildings. Bridge collapse will take place.
Already happened in Pune.
Yeah, it will going to happen till September. But I pray to God that किसी को भी कोई हानि ना हो. But that's it.
Exactly. Because already it's been 6 months into 2025 and people have already seen wars. People have seen a lot. major wars has happened, major accidents has taken place. And if we take the year into consideration, many things that the people already predicted have been said to be true now. Because as you are also saying, it's Mangal year and it's ninth. Mars is very active, the earth element, the fire element, accidents. So we cannot just say this is just a science. It is because now we are seeing it actually happen. So these incidents also make people realize that yes, we need to sit back and we need to actually learn about it. And that is, I think, very fascinating for us as well. One last question that I would want to ask you is, what does receiving the Icon and Excellence Award 2025 mean to you professionally and personally? And congratulations for that as well.
Thanks a lot. Thank you, Priya, for receiving this as a award as a best numerology for Delhi NCR, and I've been getting these awards under my belts a couple of months, as well as number of awards under my belt.
Ha, congratulations.
Thanks a lot. Thanks again. My main intention and to help the audience and the viewers that whenever I see anybody's name on a social platform like Facebook, Instagram, and I immediately come to know about through a search on the Google whether that person name is been aligned or not. If I think that his name is aligned, but the progress, the growth is being not as per the what he or she expect,
Yes.
I immediately respond to that person. No matters whether it's a lower middle class, upper higher middle class, or on a extreme, because that's my passion.
Exactly.
And everybody works for the money. Everybody works for the money, and everybody wants to grow
Exactly.
in whatever the field is, he or she is, whether in a sports, whether in a defense, whether in XYZ career. So the main thing is that in today's world, nobody would like to wear a gemstone, because that is also a color. So I gave a very simple remedies to see that this color, there are 7 colors. I'm not talking about the 2 colors, that Rahu and Ketu, because that's a dragon heads and tails. They have on an opposite direction, 180 degrees.
Yes.
So I don't consider them as to wear some kind of a colors particular to that planet on which we don't want to take the bad cosmic rays.
Okay.
7 colors. So I will definitely advise to the concerned person that the destiny is the most important. How do you calculate your first your personality as well as your destiny numbers? Suppose I give you example. Today's date is 21st. So 21st, we reduce it into a single number. That comes to be number 3.
Yes.
2 plus 1, 3. And the month is 6. Single digit 6. Year 2025. We calculate, add up 2025. That comes to be 9. So your date, today's date, your month, your year. If we calculate, then when there is a double digit, we reduce it to a single digit. When we reduce it to a single digit, that number, whatever, suppose if one number has been coming, I just give you the example, one number if it is coming, then red. If 2 number, then the white.
Okay.
3, the yellow. 4, I don't consider to wear it on a Rahu planet, bad cosmic rays. 5, the most prince number, green. 6, like blue, he can wear or she can wear. 7, I don't consider for a Ketu. 8, I generally say stop wearing the black clothes.